Hello, everybody. Andrew Majewski here. I'm excited to talk about our counter cloths by Norwex. And I'll tell you why I'm so excited about it. It's not because of this super cute holder. Check this out. I actually thought that the holder was a lot larger, and I'm so happy that it's the size of this because I was thinking I don't really want something else on my counter, but it's a better deal to get it in the set, so I'm going to buy it, and I'm so happy that I did because this is adorable. And another thing is you can put it on its back, I guess, like this, and put it in the cupboard and keep everything organized. So I love these. So these are pretty much a reusable paper towel. Like, you can easily use it to wipe your counters too, but I'm using it as a reusable paper towel, which is awesome. We buy so many paper towels, it's insane. And not just to mention all of the waste from that, but it gets expensive, nor do I want to have these big containers of paper towels in our pantry, in our laundry room, in our storage room, and then only use one roll and then just have to keep all of that off to the side, right? So talk about less waste overall, obviously, and this is your reusable paper towel holder. So it's awesome. So let me just show you guys. So this is the size, but pay attention to what it looks like. So it's different from your Enviro cloths, which I'm going to actually show you guys that. And by the way, check this out. So I have been using the top of the house for after I use my paper towel. I just kind of hang it over here to just kind of leave it there. They become dry in about 4 hours, depending on probably how hot your house is. But I just kind of like that idea. But there's nothing wrong with just kind of folding it back up again and putting it back in the little house too. So my husband loves paper towels, and I say this because he uses paper towels for everything. He will use a paper towel to wipe up the counter, even though we have other things to wipe up the counter with, like our Enviro cloths, our kitchen cloths, but he will literally use a paper towel for a napkin, paper towel to blow his nose, everything. So the first thing that I did when I did my Norwex unboxing, I'm like, okay, come over here. This is our new paper towels. You can use this as a reusable paper towel, no chemicals, only water. So he loves that. But anyways, you guys, so check that out. Nice, eh? So different from the Enviro cloth, I actually have a couple to show you. I have a travel size Enviro cloth and a full size Enviro cloth. So see how it's different. So just so it's easier, I'm going to show you guys the travel size. But look at the difference, right? So our reusable paper towels are more absorbent and used for like anything you would use a paper towel for, basically. Okay, so I just love it because they're a lot smaller than your Enviro cloth. So this is the full size of the Enviro cloth. Here is your reusable paper towel. So how awesome is that? And I'm sorry, I just love the cute little holder. Everybody who comes to my house, they go, oh my God, what is that? I need that. A perfect way to start talking about Norwex, our reusable paper towels. They do come in different colors. This was actually the entire set. So it's cheaper if you buy the whole set. I believe it's about $64. I can leave the link for you guys on the bottom. Check it out. But look at all these nice colors, eh? So very excited about that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I did do a Norwex unboxing. Sorry, I just noticed the focus was a bit off on my webcam there. I did do a Norwex unboxing. I'm going to upload the video shortly. Check out all of the Norwex that came. Everybody's orders have come in. In the next video, I want to talk about a couple other products that I love. So then that way, if you're trying Norwex for the first time and you kind of want to narrow it down on what should I buy first, I'm talking about some of the products that I love the most. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.